How to create WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can create a WhatsApp group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a WhatsApp group, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is go and launch the WhatsApp application here. Once you launch your WhatsApp app, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the chats icon from the bottom right of the screen, as you can find here. Once you tap the chats icon from the bottom right, just tap on new group. Now simply make sure to actually tap the new group option and then make sure to add the people you want to add to your group here. Once you've done that, you can at least add one contact here. Once you've done that, hit the arrow icon. Now simply give this group name. Once you've done this, just hit the arrow button again and then you'll be able to go ahead and then finish creating your group. This way you can create a WhatsApp group. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.